Good afternoon. Welcome back, Mandela. It's been a quiet week for us too. I think we've been a
Yeah,
little bit lazy in the mornings, right? But we'll be back
yeah,
next week. But I've had a good week with Apex. Not so good with Top Step, but back to it next week. But I suppose hot potato of the week next after and
yeah. I can't really hear you that clearly, Andrew. There's the last bit. I missed the last bit that you said.
let's try that. Is that better?
There we go. Yes,
Yeah,
100%
just
better.
yeah, a few technical difficulties. Yeah, just saying XRP's been I wouldn't say it's a surprise, but we got a lot of people talking about XRP at the moment. So social media is just the XRP army's crawled out from under its rocks, and here we are pumping above $3. So it's looking good.
Yeah,
So
it
yeah,
is. It is. We've been talking about it for a few weeks now. Just keeping an eye on it, and we got that nice breakout. Sort of right here. Would have been, what's that? Last week. This Monday. This Monday.
yeah,
Looks
I think
like.
we were talking about that breakout on last Friday's show, I believe, and
Yes.
we were
Yes.
saying that's going to be a key level, and yeah, it broke through it, retested, and it's pushed up nicely. So XRP, here we go. So $3 for a coin the size of XRP. I still think that's a low price. So potentially, I think it can go higher. How high? I don't think it's ever going to mirror Bitcoin. Ultimately, it's an unlimited supply of XRP. So unless Ripple Labs start burning some of the coins or the tokens, we're not going to see those dizzying heights. But I'll go back to what I said last week. I think anything above $1.50, it's going to be a good return. A lot of people got in around 37 cents, 40 cents. So, people are 150% up. So it's fantastic. And breaking $3 took another year of my retirement. So I'm pretty happy with that. But just looking at the charts, what are you thinking? Because I can see lots of volumes being traded on the bottom of your chart. A little bit quieter today, but obviously Trump's into power on Monday. But I can imagine XRP is going to be down on his list, or crypto will be. He's going to have 101 things to do when he sobers up on a Tuesday morning after the party. So, so the SEC tried, didn't they? They tried to launch an appeal. It failed. And I think this could be the shackles off for XRP. So, I'm hoping we can get that up to $5 this year. I think that would be a good increase. But the way people are talking, it could be up to $5 by the end of next week. The only concern with XRP is there's so much FOMO at the moment, on social media. People are really trying to pump the price. And just need to be mindful of that. We could be due for a retracement, a pullback before we go up on the next leg.
Yeah, a lot of great points. I think Trump coming into power, or I guess officially being inaugurated, we could see some really crazy swings from based off of his tweets, based off of he is definitely one of the most unpredictable people, let alone presidents. So I think it's a great time to be in this industry, to be trading. I don't know about you, Andrew, but these next 4 years we have to be on our toes, ready to get in and
Get
see
out
what we
as well,
can.
right?
Yeah, get out as well. That's very
But we've
important
been
as
talking
well.
about XRP since 2017. I think the two of us, and with PJ, probably been the most patient hodlers there. But I'm just found a couple of articles now. So just let me see if I can share this. Yeah, I'm just going to share a quick article with you. We can quickly have a chat about that. So, yeah, here comes the news. When analysts warn of leverage-driven pump as XRP price soars, sometimes that's for me. They're trying to scare people out. They're trying to shake the diamond hands. And a lot of people might be looking to sell around $3.50, $4. So institutes come out, or when these so-called analysts come out and they're telling you, they're warning of a leverage-driven pump, it might be the time to actually sit tight. So yeah, I'll have a good read up on this afternoon. But just going through some of the news, and during his campaign, it goes on about Donald Trump again, his crypto-friendly approach. But I think Trump will be looking at Bitcoin. I think they'll be looking to mirror image. I think El Salvador done. And the only good thing I've heard from XRP from the USA is the Bank of America are actually looking to use XRP as part of its payment process. So that might go hand in hand with the SWIFT process. So we could see XRP, getting some more adoption over this year. And I can imagine if America do it successfully, other countries in the West will follow suit as well. So that's one.
Yeah. No, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Yeah. The Bank of America, but that's been on the Ripple website, ripplelabs.com. They've always had the Bank of America and Standard Chartered as well, as partners with Ripple Labs. So if you go onto their website, you can actually have a look who's partnered up with XRP. So it'll be worth taking a look. But it all seems to be around Donald Trump. But what I've said in the show as well is Trump's going to be looking to make the dollar stronger. He wants to put dollars back in the American people's pocket, and he needs to be driving down things like interest rates, gas rates and stuff like that. So, he's got a lot of work to do. And I don't know whether he will use crypto, to try and help that, or crypto will go on the back burner. He might just put it in the parking lot for a couple of months. We'll see.
Yeah, very interesting times that we're in, and to be a trader, investor in these markets, I think this is when it's your time to shine. And as long as you're prepared and you have that experience, you have that risk management, I think there could be some great opportunities in the next 4 years. In particular, in the next 4 days or 5 days, once he finally gets inaugurated. Interesting to see what happens on Tuesday. What are the priority items? You were talking a bit about what may not be a priority. Let's see what he does this first week, coming up next week. And if crypto does get mentioned, we could see some massive swings in either direction. Yeah,
I think we might see a pullback before we get the next leg up. And with regards to issues with Trump, I'm sure you got things like conflict in the Middle East and the Ukraine, and the high cost of living in the US. They're probably going to be at the top of the pile. But I'd also keep an eye on the Dogecoin or Dogcoin, whatever it's called. We know Musk, promotes that coin. He's even looking to name one of the departments Doge, Department of Government Efficiency. So I'd keep an eye on that coin as well. We could see that push up, potentially up to it, try and break that high. So they're the two crypto coins I'm watching. Bitcoin, it will do its thing, right? It's trading nice and high, and it's like breaking a 100K mark now. And
that's a big mark. That's a big line in the sand. That 100K. We moved above it today. I think today.
And it's holding that price there, it's consolidating, moving sideways, right? And we're just waiting for another breakout on Bitcoin. So, but with XRP, I suppose my last words is I am going to sit in my hands this time. I'm not going to do what I've done with Bitcoin and some of the other crypto, where I was cashing out at all-time highs. XRP is not eating, it's not drinking. Like I say, I've been holding it since 2017, so let's hold it a few more years. Why not? So let's see what happens. So what have you got going on today? Because we got the open in 20 minutes. Are you looking at the S&P?
Yeah, I'm gonna have a look at S&P. So this is sorry, that's not that's Japanese yen. This is S&P. So it's moved up tremendously from last night. Pushed up a lot in the last hour or two. So we're sitting at the highs of the week. If we do remain up here for the next 20 minutes, then S&P will be opening up at a weekly high. So this is what I'll be trading in about 20 minutes time when the market's open, and looking to see if we can continue higher. Great. This could be a bit of a pre-Trump pump because Monday is Martin Luther King Day. And he will be inaugurated on that day. So last few hours of trading before Trump officially moves into the White House. So we'll see. It could be an exciting day today as well. What about you? What are you having a look at today?
Yeah, so for myself, I'm going to be looking at trading copper on the open. So yeah, trading for the opening range. This is the opening range from the US yesterday. I'll just quickly go back to that.
You do copper futures? Is it futures?
Yeah, futures on the copper. And we can see, so I take the first 15 minutes.
I'm going to flip it over to yours. There you go.
There we are. Yes, this is yesterday's opening range. And yeah, we can see we broke out quite nicely. And then we continued a nice trend upwards. So looking at a stop loss, I'll take profit about 20 ticks. So yeah, that one went into profit nicely yesterday. So I'm looking to do the same today. Yeah, and just got liquidity zones marked in as well. But it's looking bearish, right? So yeah, if we can get that break below the US open, potentially looking to go short. And that's it for me today. Yeah, I'm hoping to just get a trade away on copper, and I will be done.
Very nice, very nice. You did a trade earlier today. That was gold, right?
Yeah, I took a short trade on gold around 7 a.m. this morning. And
very nice.
Yeah, we had a nice short position there. So again, 30 tick stop, 30 tick profit, and yeah, we took a profit on the apex.
Very well done. Great trading. Great trading as well.
It seems to be gold in the morning and copper in the afternoons, if I catch it. But yeah, I'll be locked and loaded today, and yeah, looking to trade the break of that US open.
Yeah, that would be good. That would be nice. That's coming up very shortly. So I want to let you get ready, get set.
Yeah,
and,
so let you prepare as well. And
yes, thank you.
I'll catch up with you on Monday morning.
Yeah, that sounds great, Andrew. Have a great trading day. I'm sure I'll contact you throughout the day, see how everything's going.
Yeah, I'm about to screenshot you about 10 minutes after it, right?
Yes.
Right, I'll see you Monday morning. Thanks, Mandela.
All right.
Today's show is sponsored by thefivers.com, better funding for traders. Get qualified by a private equity fund and manage up to $4 million. So you can choose your funding journey. So you can start with the one-step program, which is hyper growth, two-step program, which is the high stakes, and the low-cost program, which is the boot camp. So pop over to thefivers.com. Please use our affiliate link for 5% off, and it's a great way to start your prop firm journey. Next to ourselves, it's TradeZella.com, the only tool you need to become profitable. So you've got powerful and automated trade journaling. Yeah, you can analyze your trading stats. You can gain some key insights. You can leverage up to 50 plus reports to monitor your progress. You can ask yourself a question after a week or two: do you have a profitable strategy? So you can go through your win rates, your profit factor, how many trades you actually missed. And you can even take it one step further. You can backtest, replay to help you improve. So pop over to TradeZella.com, use the discount code SFX25 for a 10% discount. And finally then, it's stxforex.com, the all-in-one complete trading package. Perfectly crafted trading program that meets all the needs of traders. So from Forex, futures, options and more, STS Forex provides mentorship and trading systems to suit every trader. So we got the all-in-one package there with this morning's sponsor. So thanks very much to thefivers.com, TradeZella.com and STSForex.com.